Falcons are among the fastest birds in the world. The eagle owl is one of the largest owl species. Penguins cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers. Ducks are commonly found in lakes and rivers. Seagulls are common near beaches and seas. Canaries are loved for their beautiful songs. Macaws are known for their bright feathers and loud calls. Swans are symbols of grace and beauty. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Hummingbirds can flap their wings incredibly fast. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to drill into trees. Sparrows are small but very active birds. Pigeons can find their way home from long distances. Flamingos are known for their bright pink feathers. The kingfisher dives quickly to catch its prey.
The rose-ringed parakeet can mimic human sounds.
The peacock is famous for its stunning and colorful tail feathers. The bald eagle is a powerful bird of prey with sharp eyesight. The house crow is intelligent and commonly found in urban areas. The barn owl is known for its silent flight and heart-shaped face. Toucans have large, colorful beaks. Kites soar smoothly in open skies. Robins are small birds with bright chests. Vultures help clean the environment. Herons patiently wait to catch fish. Cranes migrate long distances. Cuckoos are known for their unique call. Albatrosses have the longest wingspan. Partridges are ground-living birds. Hoopoes have a unique crown on their head. Quails are small and shy birds. Nightjars are active during the night. Lapwings are known for their loud alarm calls.
Magpies are smart and curious birds.
Starlings fly in beautiful patterns. Ibises have long curved beaks. Pelicans have large throat pouches. Cassowaries are large flightless birds. Kiwis are native to New Zealand. Emus are the second largest birds. Cardinals are known for their vibrant red color. Blue jays are bright and bold birds. Golden eagles are powerful predators. Ospreys specialize in hunting fish. Ravens are highly intelligent birds. Lovebirds are known for their strong bonds. Cockatoos are playful and social birds.